Today, I'll teach you 5 decisions that, if applied consistently, it will increase your income, skills, and freedom within the space of 2 months. These aren't motivational cliche. These are real, actionable steps. Most people spend their lives waiting for the end of month's salary. Wake up, work, get paid, repeat. In 2025, that mindset is broken. The fastest income builders don't wait. They make decisions that multiply results. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Income Growth Channel. My name is Rose. This is an educational channel on how to grow your income. So on this channel, I share tips that will help you grow your income and get value. Please subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on anything.
Decide to own your time. Track how you spend your days. Cut what doesn't grow income or skills. Reinvest that time wisely. Income follows skill, not luck. Choose one high-value skill. Practice it daily. Apply immediately. Time is your most valuable asset. Stop wasting it on distractions. Replace low-value habits with high-value work. Relying on one income is risky. Build small, repeatable income streams. Test, learn, grow consistently. Review your progress every week. What worked? What failed? Improve and repeat. These decisions are not easy, but they work. Apply them consistently. Subscribe to Rose Income Skills for more practical lessons.